I'm Madhvi and welcome to the Space Tech channel. Here today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. As you know, the interface and there are some changes that has happened to Facebook, and people are finding it very difficult to actually even locate where the settings are, and even though they don't know it, they change their mind because they could not find the option. So here it is the easiest way. If you have really made up your mind to delete your account, then this is the perfect simple steps that you need to follow in order to delete your Facebook account permanently. So let's begin. Just log into your account. Okay, before I begin, let me tell you, this is my dummy account. It does not mean that I'm there in this account. This is just to show you, and I do almost every possible thing over here. Like any example that I need to show, I use this account. This is not my personal account. Okay, this is a dummy account. All right, so log into your account and locate the small down arrow which is highlighted in black color. I will click on it and then go to settings. Okay, settings are opened. Now go to your Facebook information. I clicked on it. Okay, and then there will be an option of deactivation and deletion. Just click on it. Okay, so here there are two options which are before you on your system. One is deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. So you can choose either of the options. Since you have made up your mind to delete your account permanently, you can simply select on permanently delete account. This will actually ensure that all your information, be it images, posts, connections, whatever that you have posted, whatever that you have done on Facebook, will remove from the Facebook servers, and you will get a notification soon after you click on continue to account deletion. Okay, so you will get a notification. You will need to enter your password and account will be deleted. So this is how you delete your account permanently. And if at all you thought, okay, let me not delete it, let me come back to this account after a month, or maybe after some time, whenever I will feel like connecting to my people again on FB, then you can select deactivate your account. So this will temporarily disable your account, and you can anytime enable it so that everything that you have on Facebook servers will be restored. So here we are talking about deletion. So here you will select permanently delete my account, continue to account deletion, enter your password, and your account will be deleted. Okay, so I'm not really deleting this account because I need to show some other examples also. So this is how you do it. This is just for an explanation. Now the best part is, in case if you have deleted your account, but before that I would suggest you go back to your information, okay, your Facebook information again. And the best part is you can download all the information that you have that you have shared, transferred, kept. Okay, by clicking on download your information, you can download that information in the format of HTML or JSON. Okay, and create file. Okay, so see, whatever that you have ticked, okay, you can deselect or select all. Okay, you can deselect anything that you want, whatever right from the beginning that you have shared, liked, comment, posted, okay, played any games, shared stories, followed someone, created a group, created a page, or edited your profile information, whatever that you have posted, whatever, if at all you have purchased something on Facebook, see, everything that you can see, you can download it, create a file, click on create a file. Once you create it, then your available copy, it will take some time for your file to get created. You will need to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. So once you wait for 2 to 3 minutes, you can go to this available copies. You will get a notification here, just like the way you get notification when somebody comments on your photo or comments on your post. Okay, you will get a notification that your file is ready to download. You can even select the format, the quality of the file, what do you want, and you can even select the date from where you want to actually keep the information in your file that you will be creating after selecting from when to when you want to actually keep the information. Then your available copy will pop up here. You can simply download. See, I've already downloaded one information by clicking here on create file. Okay, and the available copy is already there. So either I can delete, I have an option of deleting it, or I can download. I will simply download it. Okay, and then here you will need to as you can see, there the available copy is already there. For downloading also you will need to enter your password. Okay, so see, the file is already been created. You can either delete it if you don't like it, or you can simply download it. I've already downloaded it, but for downloading, like I said, I will need to enter my password. This is what my password looks like. Well, this is just a dummy account, so yeah. See, my Facebook account, all the information that I've created in the Facebook account is being downloaded in a zip file. So once it is downloaded, you can simply keep it, and then you can delete your account. Okay, but I would suggest to deactivate for some time and come back, and then again try to reactivate. If not, if you have made up your mind, it's completely your choice. You delete it and then come back whenever you think. Then you can again start from the scratch and again create your Facebook account. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next video with some more content. Till then, have fun and keep smiling.